I'm Miss Sue and this is my helper Virginia, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy worm farm with materials you have around your house. So you can use any type of plastic, a bucket, a 2-liter Coke bottle, anything you can find. Okay, Virginia, come help me. First thing we're going to do is just find some rocks around. You're going to layer your bucket with rocks. And then find some newspaper. And I've already shredded the newspaper, but that's a fun activity for the kids to do. And you lay the newspaper in the bucket. Then you don't have to use a water bottle, but we had one. So we're just gonna dampen the newspaper and the rocks a little bit. Let me do that. And then now it's time, just go in your yard, front yard or backyard, in your flower beds, and just dig up some soil like we did. So, we are going to scoop, or we can pour, which would be faster. You're gonna hold it, I'll hold it, Virginia, and you scoop, spoon it in, okay? And we're going to put our soil in our bucket. Yeah, she's gonna spread it around a little bit. Stir it up. Then, worms like to eat your leftover fruits or vegetables, so I chopped some vegetables that were gonna go bad. I'm gonna spread it in here. Virginia, can you stir it up? You can come close, baby, if you want. We're just gonna mix it up. Everyone can put their hands in it and stir it up. And then I'm gonna dampen the soil just a little bit more. You wanna stir it up again with your hands? You want it loose because the worms will be able to crawl in there. So what we did, and this is a fun activity to do with kids, is we went around our house and dug little holes to try to find, here, put the worms on here so they can see. We found worms in our yard. And you can add to your worm farm and locate more worms. So these are some of the worms we found in our yard. I'm gonna hold one, see? There we go, see them? We're just gonna put them, got one, Virginia? We're gonna put them in here. They're gonna dig their way. I'm just gonna dampen them a little bit. And they're gonna dig their way into their new home. So this is a fun and easy project. One thing, worms are underground, so they like it dark. So I have construction paper, any type of dark paper, and we're going to tape it around the worm farm so they feel like they're in their environment underground. And then once we tape that, you can let the kids decorate the construction paper with their names on it or any type of art activity they want to do on the worm farm. And what I do have, I don't have a top for this, but you want to keep moisture in. So what I will do is just get some saran wrap and put some saran wrap on top, and that'll keep the moisture in. So every day you can put a couple squirts of water in there to keep your worms moist, and when you cook dinner or have lunch, if you have leftover fruits or vegetables, chop them up and give them to your worms for food. Thanks for coming today. Hope you enjoy the worm farm.